Hello everyone, I am Alejandra Quiroga. This activity is for English phonetics class. Today I am going to pronunciation practice. Okay, the first point is reading. Read the following text, try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind read, intonation, and stress. Okay, the text is Teacher pretest. The pretest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. School says that there is no money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that the school spends their money on different things. Okay, the second point is minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. This sound may confuse English learners. This is true. Then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sound. For example, cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, coat, coat, beam, bean, till, peel, dish, fish, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, dug, book, date, bait, toll, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, dot, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, to, good, tack, gag, table, gable, team, fin, tail, fail, tone, phone, tick, vic. Okay, the 3 point is intonation and street. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasegmental features. The first example is with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. The other example is with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. The other example is with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? And where do you live? The other example is friendly interest. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? And where have you been? Okay. The other examples are general questions. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? The last example is request. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Okay, the other example is alternative questions. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The other example is tag questions. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Okay, the other examples are commands. For example, tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. And ask him for help. The last example is request. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. And the other examples are exclamatory sentences. For example, it's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. The other example is direct address. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? The other example is enumerating. For example, I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. The other example is we need paper, pens, and pencils. And the last example are response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Okay, thank you so much for your attention and see you later. Bye bye.